I'm Alida Dufrene, and this is the 7 basic steps to creating your very first short film. Step 1. Come up with an idea. Sometimes this may be the hardest part of the whole process, but here's a way to get those ideas flowing. Think about what you have available to you, that being buildings, parks, schools, and even people. Also think about the season you're in. Is it fall, spring, winter, or summer? All of these things listed are a great tool to use for just coming up with your basic story. With that, you're on to step 2, building a team. This doesn't have to be a team of professionals. It can be classmates or anyone willing to help that has a creative mind. You're going to need the basics: a director, a storyboard/script writer, a cameraman, actors, and an editor. Once that team is built, you made it to step 3, collaboration. This is the time where you get together with your newly created team and toss out ideas for the film. The goal for this step is to create a beginning, middle, and end for the story. Because you have already come up with the big idea of what you want the story to be, the rest should be easy, especially with the help from your team. Now, it's time for step 4, pre-production. Technically, yes, everything you have done leading up to this point is pre-production, but this is where the real specifics come into play. This is where you can actually see the story come to life on a 2D scale. It's time to storyboard and write a script. A storyboard is a basic drawing of what you want the scene to look like. The script is what the actors will be saying and doing. Another important thing to do at this step is to make a list of props that you may need. Step 5, production. It's time to start filming, one of the most exciting parts in my opinion. When it comes to what camera to use, it's best to use what you know and what you're comfortable with, whether that be a phone or something a little more professional. Both will still give a great result. The most important thing during this step is audio. Audio can make or break your video. And again, you don't need state-of-the-art equipment for this. A phone hidden off the screen works just as well. Now that you've filmed everything, it's on to step 6, post-production. It's time to import the clips and start editing. This can be done on phone apps or something advanced like Adobe Premiere. Once the first round of edits are made, get feedback from peers and possibly go back for round 2 of edits. Then you can export the final video. We've made it to the end. Step 7, posting your short film. Get your work out there. You can post on YouTube or even enter into a local film competition. Do what you can to get your work seen. And that's a wrap. The 7 basic steps to making your first short film. I hope this helped. Have fun creating.